Hello. Are you thinking of moving to Milton, Florida and looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a sprinkler system? Well, today we're going to tour a 3-bedroom, 3-bath in Milton, Florida. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. Okay, so welcome to the Carlton floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It does have a separate den, 9-foot ceilings. So as we walk into the foyer, you go straight to the dining room. Off the foyer, you do have a den, which is in the front of the house. It does have the recessed lighting with 9-foot ceilings. Off the foyer, you do have bathroom number 1, full bathroom with a single vanity. There's a linen closet. And bedroom number 1 is in the front of the house. It does have the recessed lighting, and there's the closet. It does have carpeting. All of the bedrooms do have carpeting. There's tile throughout the rest of the house. So as we walk into the dining room, living room, kitchen area, there is a hallway off to the side that does have bedroom number 2 and also a linen closet, and that is the door to the garage. And you have bathroom number 2 here. It is a full bathroom. Bedroom number 2 does have carpeting, has the 9-foot ceilings, recessed lighting, and there's the closet, the wire shelving. And as we come back out of bedroom 2 and turn down the hallway towards the kitchen, there is the laundry room here. So you have a separate room for the laundry room. And here's the kitchen. It does have the quartz countertops, 42-inch cabinets, shaker style. Pantry is right next to the kitchen. There is also a covered lanai, and this is a half an acre. It does have a fully sodded property, and it also has a sprinkler system, the Rainbird sprinkler system. This is a new build, ready to move in. And off the kitchen, you do have a breakfast nook. It's in the back of the house. So, and the covered lanai, you could also screen that in. You have this is a view of the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. You do have area that you can put a couple of stools here on the island. Also have a little bit of seating there. The primary bedroom is off the kitchen, It does have the box ceiling, 9-foot ceilings with the recessed lighting. Does have carpeting and tile in the bathroom. Do have the double vanity with the quartz countertops and the separate shower that has the curbless shower. There's a separate linen closet. If this is something you are considering, moving to Milton, Florida, looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a den. It's about 2265 square feet. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.